All right, we have a new arrival today at Westport Auto Center. It's a beautiful 1979 Pontiac Trans Am TA 6.6 Pontiac 400 4-speed WS6, numbers matching. Just a nice car, 1 year off color. Everything on the car works. The clock even works. Sometimes it's a little intermittent, but it does work. Key buzzer. Super nice car. Harder and harder to find them with the 4 speeds. You got the 8-inch honeycomb wheels. A little bit down here. I mean, those are hard as rocks. Almost look like solvent pop on it. It's got newer exhaust. This was in a car museum for several years in North Carolina, in Memories Car Museum. AC blows cold. Just a cool car. 4-speed and the Pontiac 400 really make it. There is a little chip right there. I'm not sure what happened there. A couple small Audis. Package tray is really nice. Back of the seats are typically on these over the years get faded out and actually get some dry cracks. I would almost assume these seats have been replaced because they're pretty darn nice. Seat covers, I should say. Another little Audi there. Couple little crack in the paint right there. It's kind of typical you'll find on the Enduro bumper. Got a little spider there, a couple small chips and a chip there. Just trying to show the few imperfections that we find. All cars have imperfections, but it's a pretty nice car. Little chip right there. We'll replace the dash. The roof is nice. Get all these pictures will be at www.westportautocenter.com. Probably have about, there's close to 85 or 90 4-wheel disc brakes. This when we got it, we fixed the emergency brake. AC was not blowing cold. Just just typical few little things. A bulb here and there. Replaced, but we have everything working, functioning correctly on it now. Carpets are still in good shape. They appear to be original. They do have a little bit of wear, but a little bit of patina there on the seat belt. We have to check that dome light because I could have swore that bad boy was working. Look like a tiny little crack right there. Package tray. There's a little bit of dirt was driving this one on the floor. Need to vacuum. But we're gonna go ahead and do the blinkers, wipers, all that good stuff.
Got your parking lights, got your headlights. Got your turn signal. Got your turn signal on that one. Got your horn. Windshield wipers are working. Take you around to the back, as you can see. Side marker lights. There you can see you have the tail lights working. Blinker for the driver's side. Blinker for the passenger side. And there you have the 2 brake lights on.
There's the clock is working. There's your oil pressure, temperature, speedometer, showing 71,443. Your gauges. The high blower speed is not working right now. You hear the radio. You want to go ahead and thermometer. It's a hot day here. Does get a little cooler than this. Well, it looks like we're sticking at 65 today. I'll have to get that checked out. Going for a ride. Does cool down a lot better when you're actually driving, not sitting still. Got some cool air going across the condenser. Gets up and goes. Going to fly in, we'll pick you up at Lambert, also known as St. Louis International. More than happy to pick you up, take you to one of our warehouses, look at the vehicle choice. Need to have an inspector, I'm more than happy to accommodate that. Reach out, call me at 314-346-6039. Ask for Mark. Just a great car. Harder and harder to find with the 4 speeds, and it is a numbers matching. see. Fuck even the cigarette lighter was working. It's trying to get down. It's a hot day. We had it down to like 53, 54 degrees. You can see it is working. The like I said, the blower speed is not working on high right now. We'll have to find out what's going on with that, but it does cool the vehicle down still. So, is it going to get to 59? Trying.
There we go.
Alright, well, that's as good as she gets today, but it will keep you cool. Thanks for watching. Follow us at www.westportautocenter, YouTube, and Instagram, and Facebook. Have a great day.